guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a very interesting one because we are going to talk about ginseng, which is like powerhouse of ingredient in skincare. And I've done a lot of research and I'm here to talk about what ginseng is, what are the benefits, and which of these two serums is good for your skin. So let's begin the video with ginseng. So as I just mentioned, it is like the #1 skincare ingredient when it comes to Korean skincare. I don't know why people don't enough emphasize on this ingredient. Rather, they always talk about vitamin C's and retinols, but this is the kind of ingredient that can work as an anti-aging. It can also slow the collagen loss into your skin. I don't know if you know or not, but after 25, your skin starts to lose collagen, and that is why you start seeing those tiny wrinkles around your eye areas or on your forehead, because your skin is not producing the collagen as it was producing in your early 20s or when you were a teenager. And ginseng slow down that process, which help your skin to retain its elasticity. In fact, ginseng root has so many compound benefits for your skin, like it contains vitamin D, vitamin B12, that all leads to increased circulation and boost the collagen production in your skin. So I hope now you get an idea like how powerful ginseng is for your skin and how it can completely change your skin if you use the correct serum made for your skin. So now let's talk about two of the most powerful and best-selling ginseng serums. First one is the I Am From Ginseng serum, and the another one is the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng serum that I just made a complete review video on. If you want to know every single detail about this particular product, then you can definitely check out that video. So today we're gonna begin with the I Am From Ginseng serum, which is my personal favorite. Now this serum has been formulated with 7.98% of red ginseng extract. Red ginseng is believed to be more effective in reducing the wrinkles and enhance skin whitening compared to the normal ginseng. Now it took 6 years to get that red ginseng. This red ginseng is like fermented, so it means the benefits are like 2 times better than the normal ginseng water extract that you use. And let me tell you, red ginseng is packed with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, so it is like an amazing product for people who want to start anti-aging or people who already have fine lines and wrinkles on their skin and who cannot use retinols, because retinols are not for everybody. Ginseng is the ingredient that you should consider in your skincare routine, and as it contains 6-year-old ginseng sap, which is like a clear sticky substance wherein honeydew is secreted by one of the several insects, and that is how it looks like. And apart from this major ingredient also include butylene glycol, betaine, Camellia sinensis fruit extract, and it also contains some botanical extract which works perfect for people who have acne prone skin, because these botanical ingredients work as an antibacterial to deal with your acne. It also contains hyaluronic acid and glycerin as their hydrating elements. Because this product contains almost 8% of red ginseng extract, it is very potent. That is why it has a very potent smell of red ginseng. It's not the external fragrance, it's the fragrance of the ginseng that is there in the bottle. So if you are someone who absolutely cannot take fragrance, this is not the product for you. But if you are someone who can tolerate that fragrance because it goes away in a little while, and if you are someone who can tolerate that fragrance, then it is supremely good for your skin because it is very potent. And for this price, which is $25 for 30 ml of packaging, it is very potent. It contains red ginseng and it is budget friendly, and this combination is rare to find. I know it is not supremely budget friendly, but the ingredient that you are getting, it is very budget friendly as per the ingredients you are getting in this serum, and it is suitable for all skin types, especially if you are matured skin. You're gonna love this product, and it provides amazing glow, amazing hydration on your skin, and it also deals with your pimple, acne scar, fine lines, wrinkles. So it is like a beautiful product. Now talking about the other serum, which is like a little bit on the budgeted side, that is the Beauty of Joseon Revive Ginseng serum. Now this 30 ml of packaging costs $19, which is quite affordable compared to the other serum, but it is not that potent compared to the other serum that we just talked about. Now this product contains 63% of ginseng root water. Now the difference is that the other serum contains red ginseng extract and this one contains the red ginseng water, not the actual vegetable extract. This also contains 3% of snail mucin content to repair your damaged skin barrier and improve the appearance of your wrinkle and boost the elasticity of your skin. It also contains 2% niacinamide, which is like a multifunctional ingredient, works on your acne, works on your skin brightening, works on anti-aging, a very good ingredient in general. Apart from this, it also contains licorice root extract, which is proven to be good for skin brightening. This product doesn't contain any alcohol or fragrance. The texture is slightly oily, but it is absolutely non-sticky. It gets absorbed to your skin quite quickly compared to the other serum, and the smell on this one is way more bearable than the other serum because again it contains ginseng water and not the extract. So if you are someone like who is looking for a serum that is rich in antioxidant and reduce the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkle, this is not gonna be the serum for you. It definitely takes a lot more time compared to the other one. So I'm gonna say if you are someone who wants to use ginseng, who is in their 20s or 30s, can go for the Beauty of Johnson serum because it is like less potent and you can just try adding ginseng in your skincare routine with this product. But if you are someone with matured skin having wrinkles or who is looking to brighten up their overall skin and want something that is more effective when it comes to treating their pimples, treating their post-acne marks, treating their wrinkles, the I Am From one is really effective in terms of all of this. That serum is a continuous repurchase for me. I absolutely love using that serum. It is so good for my skin. Yeah, that was all about the two serums that I wanted to discuss about. I hope by now you get a good idea which serum is made for your skin and which serum you need to add in your routine. And that is all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and I'll see you with another video. Till then, bye bye.